done with the clothes. And I'm gonna go bring this. Alright, now let's go grab this. Let's go get my sleeping bag. Hold on, let me just go get it. Sure guys. Got my sleeping bag. Let's go grab my brush. And let's go get my plushie. Guys, just sorry for the background noise. There's people here. I'm gonna go grab my Stanley and this, which is so important. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go grab my phone, my iPad, my Apple Pencil. That should be it. And for our stuff, let's go grab a toy. And I think there's already diapers in the car, so that's good. Oh yeah, I forgot to pack. I'm gonna go grab all the spring toys. That. Okay, and then let's go grab Stanley, and let's go grab that. And there, my sleeping bag. My VU plush. And let's go grab Tron. Look at this. So important. That should be it. Okay, good. Now let's go grab my duffer bag. What the heck? Okay. Time to grab. It's just off my phone. Oh my god, I don't need my laptop. That and that. And that. There. And then I gotta go grab Luffy stuff. That should be it. Oh, you're already packed. Yep. Let's just go change. This one. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Oh shoot, I forgot the bag. Okay, got my luggage. Okay.
Isang linggo bago mamatay sa kontrabasyon. Siguro sabi niya na maugala ako. Mag-alaga sa akin.
Naman, buhay pa nung araw na yun. Pati din na. Sa kapangyarihan lang ba? Yung dunya tayo.
Okay.
Nag-collapse siya dun sa India na sinundo nila Jerry.
That, and let's go grab that, and let's grab that. Okay, I'm probably done.
Si Rovers ano.
That one, and my sleeping bag, and plushie,
Kasi
and
malakas pa daw nung ano. Nagtaka nga sining wala namang sakit.
I think that's it. Close! That's closed.
Oo nga, nakakulong.
Ayaw sumama. Ano, pag lumilipat kami dito, bumabalik doon. Sila natin ang
Hindi kasi
hindi nila nabutang
okay
Sure.
na. Kasi alam niyo namang darating, hindi naman nakahintay. Kasi parang nanay ulo ang nangyari sa akin. Bang tulog lang ng tulog. Pero kasi parang nagkakaroon siya. Pero ang nakasaksak sa kanya, dextrose na wala ng ibang machine. Kasi nga sabi niya, ito na
We gotta go back and forth to go grab all the stuff. Maybe even up and down. Gosh, there's so much stuff. Good luck, Good luck for him. There's so much to carry. Got my bag. Let's go.
Pero kasi saka nung nagpa-check up siya sa hospital, payat na payat. Confine na sa hospital niya, super payat na eh. Ayaw ko yung hita niya, parang internal bleeding yan sa mama kasi kasi
Got a lot of stuff. People gotta job and
sabi ko, daming nagtatanong, ang kinamatay. Sa nakupo. Internal bleeding na lang ako. Anak niya naman ay sa taas. Pero ang kinamatay.
okay, we all done. That's good. Stuff. Got it. Tyler, are you gonna pack what? Oh yeah.
Gusto kong mahal. Oras lang. Ganun po. Mas mahal ang living kaysa donation.
Dad, one,
Mas mahal ang living. Million?
Anyways, that's good. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna be grabbing a duffel bag. Yeah, there's no more duffel bag. We're just gonna do this. I know this is not a duffel bag, but we'll just
Ah, okay na.
That's a lot of stuff. Good luck, Dad. Even Jade and Tyler's Tyler still got a pack. Oh boy. Alice probably doesn't see that. Alright. Oh wow, good luck, Dad. Holy yeah. I know. I gotta go carry many stuff. Holy moly, that's so god. That's so many. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go pack Cassie's bag. Got all of these clothes. It's gonna be, this is my bag. Oop,
Yan naman yung red card.
that's all.
Wala naman yatang laman yun eh. Bakit? Paano ka nga-apply nun? Ha? Hoy?
Everyone just come back for part 2.